pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, on his birth anniversary on the 2nd of October, the State Congress Party has asked the state government to close down all the onshore and offshore casinos in the state. Accusing the Parrikar-led government of promoting casinos in the state, a Congress spokesperson and Kurthorum MLA Alexei Reginaldo Lourenço said that he would send a representation to the state government to ask for one-day shutdown of the casinos in the state.
आता लास्ट पर्रीकारान जर तर तेगे इंटेंशन हा शिफ्ट करपाक आनी जर तर तेक इंटेंशन हा आनी तो जस्टिस करूं सोदिता कॅन्डल लायट टेंट केल्ली म्हणून एटलिस्ट ऑक्टोबर 2 गांधी जयंती दिसाक म्हाका दिसता ताणें एक दीस पळय कॅजिनो बंद दवरूंक जाय रिप्रेजेंटेशन टू द गव्हर्नमेंट टुमॉरो इटसेल्फ आय एम डेअरिंग हिम that shows his intention. There is no showing request. The question is, how much is his intention to shift the casinos? What is his intention when he was in the opposition? What he was doing? What was his manifesto? And if he is interested in at least showing him. October 2nd is an auspicious day wherein the father of the nation has, as a mark of respect, that is a day kept in memory of him. And on that day I would tell the government, do it if you have the guts. Chief Minister has to act immediately in terms of the order of the National Green Tribunal, that there is no progress by the Goa Pollution Control Board on 19th September. आता 1 ऑक्टोबराचेर केस आहा. Meanwhile, Parrikar is giving photo ops to the press in the guise of Swachh Bharat Nirmal Goy campaign, and beside is permitting the pollution of river Mandovi by closing his eyes and thereby supporting the casinos and showing his love to the casinos.
Mr. Lourenço alleged that the Chief Minister, who was then in position and was shouting against casinos, had himself permitted the transfer licenses from smaller boats to bigger multi-story boats.
Parrikar should go to his own BJP office, search his records in the BJP office, what he was doing, what he said when he was in the opposition, and his conduct as a Chief Minister. Every assembly हांव रिमाइंड करता का की कॅजिनोंत बाबा तुम्ही प्रॉमिस केल्लें गेमिंग कमिशन रुल्स सगळे प्रॉमिस केल्ले काय ना आज पासून आनी तो तेन्ना म्हणटालो पयशे कोणा वयताय ते आय एम आस्किंग मनोहर पर्रीकर आतां ते पयशे कोणा वयताय काय म्हण.
Reginaldo also stated that Mr. Parrikar had failed in his promise of setting up home for the aged and center for cure of Alzheimer's patient, which he had stated would be done from the revenue earned from casinos.
All the revenue तेन म्हणलो की आपण होम फॉर द एज्ड and center for cure for Alzheimer disease कोतलो म्हणून पेशंटाक. I am reminding his words. काय ना आज पासून होम फॉर द एज ना, not treatment for Alzheimer disease ना, but on the contrary, कॅजिनोंत नंबर वाडले आनी सायजूय वाडल्या. गोंयकारांक म्हाका दिसता मुक्त BJP निर्मल गोंय म्हणपाची गरज आहा.